In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Vercel project. If you are moving a project to a teammate, consolidating work under a team, or handing something off to a client, this quick process will help you do it safely and confidently without interrupting your deployments. Start by opening your Vercel dashboard and selecting the project you want to move. Make sure you are in the right scope at the top of the dashboard. Whether that's your personal account or a team, it's also a good moment to confirm you have the necessary permissions. Typically, you will need to be an owner or have admin rights on the current project. Double-check that you've selected the correct project, especially if you manage multiple with similar names. Next, head into the Settings tab for that project. Then choose General from the sidebar. The General area is where most project-wide controls live, and it's where Vercel places ownership and transfer options. Take a second to note any information that matters after a transfer, such as the connected Git repository and environment variables, since those will move with the project. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Transfer Project section. Click the Transfer button. If the button isn't available, it usually indicates a permissions issue or a restriction set by your organization. In that case, verify your role or check with an account admin before proceeding. You will be prompted to choose the destination from a drop-down. Select the team or user account you want to receive the project. You will only see destinations where you already have membership. So if you don't see the intended team, make sure you've been added there first. Remember, when you transfer a project, its settings, environment variables, domains associated with it, and existing deployments move along with it. Billing responsibilities also shift to the new owner or team, so it's wise to confirm the destination has the right plan and permissions to manage the project. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transfer. Vercel will handle the rest. You will receive an email confirmation once the process is complete. And in most cases, it wraps up within 10 seconds to 10 minutes. During that window, your live deployments generally remain accessible, and your DNS settings aren't changed by the transfer itself. After the confirmation arrives, open the project under the new owner or team to spot. Check important items like environment variables, custom domains, analytics, and integrations. That's it. Thanks for watching.